So that there.
Then there's open in there.
There is still open there.
Yep. You get to go. Oh, it's green.
Oh yeah.
So
11.
It's strong. That curry food, oh my god.
It is. Strong, I really like that one.
Yeah, like, I'm like, it's stronger than Korean.
Yeah.
Indian food, good lord. Daddy and I thought we about to
We
die.
are at New Bern downtown. New Bern. Yeah. Walking, walking, walking down. To walking down.
Great to see you. By Sunday. We enjoy it.
Popcorn, Cow Cafe. Yes, we're here right now at the Cow Cafe.
Down caramel popcorn, green apples,
Rainbow.
birthday cake, chill out,
Chill out, cheater. It's open. We're here.
Look at all this cows, guys. Look.
It's a lot. This is a
So-
Cow Cafe, but it's different kind of
Cows.
cow.
Sleepy
So
cows.
there's a
Like,
big cow there.
and a cow with the horns. With, I have no idea what is that. And the cow back.
Cow there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's
See?
a baby cow.
Oh.
Too much.
That-
This one is the small one.
Yeah. That little white one. That little white one that has a like.
There's a small
Like,
there.
okay.
There's a
And-
small there.
Yeah, right over here. What's the
Do
leaf?
not clean that.
That one. This says thank you. And then thank you for. Here's popcorn, the normal kind. The normal popcorn. And there's even ice cream. But I can't eat it. Okay guys, so
Yeah.
I
that
want
one,
the
guys,
Oreo.
different kind.
Oops. I like this Oreo, guys. Oreo popcorn is. Do you want an Oreo popcorn? Or are you just going to share it? No, I tried it before and I love it.
Right when we left, he looked at her phone and he went and sat in his little thing.
You like this one? What do you want? It's
Mine's
just.
gonna be, I just want flavor.
I like this one.
That's what
I like this one.
Bring that.
Guys, okay, guys, so we're going to get this Oreo popcorn. Now we're just going to sit in here and just look at this Oreo popcorn, guys. This is so yummy, guys. See? See, guys, this is what it looks. It's in a bag, not like floating, just bag.
I like that one a lot.
Hey, guys. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. Just like the same like this, but whiter. Oh guys, look, the squishies. Can I feel? I want to feel one.
Oh, they got lemon type
Toss
popcorn.
animal.
It's like a lemon flavor.
I want to toss this animal then.
It's called Live It Up Lemon. Look. Yeah, like
This is
lemon
called
flavor.
toss animals. Toss. T-O-S-S. And malls. Toss malls. Daddy,
I have no
I'm going to
idea.
try to shoot it at the malls. We toss. Yes.
I don't know them.
Oh, there's even this cow. With like the eyes, but you can't see them because they're little guys. There's the popcorn. Red popcorn? You want the red popcorn?
How much this one?
And under this cabinet, nothing. And under that cabinet, nothing. And beside that cabinet is nothing too.
Yeah.
And the rest of it, same. Same, guys. And that's the like.
Your butter flavor popcorn in here, like the orange bag.
Guys, they're like the cow. Here's like the cow like trophy, I think. And in there are just ice cream, and my dad is ordering popcorn. His popcorn. Those are the kids ones. That's the kids. Chairs and seats.
Yes, ma'am.
See, guys, the kids area.
They'll be great.
Way back over there. Hold on, where's the popcorn? Oh, my dad got the popcorn.
He said,
Doo-doo-doo. Okay, guys, we will see you in the car or in the house. Guys, don't. And also, we found this large cow with the tail actually whipping. And that cow has a mask for no reason. That doesn't make a sound. And guys, here, the starting stuff is right in that. What? Okay, guys, we're gonna leave this store restaurant. Open up the door. There's the back of the cow, looks like.
Yeah, that's the cow moving.
The tail. Tell
Oh my
me.
goodness, this one is like dry right away.
Oh yeah. That's
See,
right.
homemade ice cream.
Oh,
See, guys, this is the
ta-da!
homemade ice cream. So,
Ta-da!
ito mo. Cow Cafe.
And these are all the pictures. What they saw. What they ordered in Cow Cafe.
oh, yeah. It hurt my eye.
Okay. Just in front of the picture. It's not moving like moving too much. Okay, hold on. I'm
That's
gonna
the
walk.
bank
Okay?
of art.
I'm gonna walk. Do not fast. Do not fast.
Wait, wait,
Okay,
whoa, whoa,
guys,
like
so-
walk there. You walk out the big lady.
We're
Like
here.
walk like you walk like
We're here at the New Bern, downtown New. Oh my goodness, my cameraman is on. You taking a picture instead of my face. You like this everywhere. Not like that.
Okay. You can say.
Ay nako. Alright. Once again.
Okay, guys. Bye. My mom doesn't. Okay.
Yeah, we're here right now at the downtown New Bern.
Downtown New Bern.
So this is nice in here.
And there too. Ooh, you can hear my echo. Echo.
So you like my walk like this, huh?
oh, you be walking normal. Yeah, that's how you walk. Yeah, you don't know. You walk a big lady. That's what you walking. Like you bow-legged. Oh my goodness! You gotta focus on this road, my love. Hold on. Light screen. Hold on. White screen. Hold on.
Green light. I don't know. Where's the green light?
Right there, that's gonna fall back first one.
Oh, over there.
Oh, hold on.
Secondary is nice over there. Look, the trees over there.
Are
That's
both.
cool.
And also there's have pictures of a turtle and a fish. And there's
There.
turtle, eagle, pelican, eagle. I didn't know if that's a pelican or a eagle or a swan. And it's definitely not an eagle. Boom, boom. Look, guys, this large tree. And there's have a rainbow swan, I think. Okay, guys, we will see you when we get in the car.
Hold on. See the fountain over there.
Let's check it out.
It's not really working right
Can
now.
you check it out, Mommy?
So, I gotta go.
See there.
Got many times to come down here. Don't worry.
All right, let's go.
When it's winter time,
No.
I think it's frozen solid,
Yeah.
like frozen ice.
So, yeah, over there.
Little beer on it. One of my favorite restaurants here.
See the big clock
Yeah, beer
over
on is good.
there.
I like beer on.
Big
Yeah.
Ben.
The big clock over there.
Hey, no, that ain't Big Ben. Big Ben, that's in that's in London, Mark.
And it almost looks like Big Ben.
Big Ben, what Big Ben?
That's the biggest clock in London, England. They call it Big Ben.
I'm gonna take a picture. Okay. The one Bear Army over there. Ranch furniture. And the big clock over there.
And a park.
Yeah. So it was really good, guys, here walking up here. My baby all the time complaining me. Oh, this one there, there's a room over there under.
This is City Hall.
Yeah, under there's a room under.
I'm sure they do. Who knows?
Yeah.
Or maybe it's abandoned down there.
So yeah. This one is the city hall
This is
in
where you
here.
gotta go to
I go.
this is where the city government.
Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
We're completely frozen.
Bear gift. All right. Let's
And
go.
there's the bear.
Yeah, the bear over
The
there.
creepy one.
The creepy one.
Because it has sharp teeth.
See, this one is the city hall here. There. Here in New
There's
Bern.
another bear. Have we took a picture of that?
Ay naku.
Is that flowers
Let's go.
or birds? The birds we never took a picture with.
So we are here now, guys.
Why did you sit? Were you tired of sitting nothing and walking? It wasn't even a long walk compared to what you and Mommy did the other day.
My baby all the time complaining me how to walk. All right. So thank you so much for watching our video, guys. So see you again next time.
Bye guys, we're gonna see you at the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit the button below so you can watch more videos of the Bradshaw family.
Bye.
So guys.
Kita sa susunod na video. Yose kita.
Kita.
Kita sa susunod na video.
Susunod na video.
Bye. Paalam.